What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we have to pick up from where we left off yesterday, as yesterday and the day prior, we're showing some very interesting signs on a lot of the major cryptos, where most of the major cryptos that we track broke through some very solid supports and are starting to slide lower. Now, this is not a surprise at all. Hopefully not for you, definitely not for me, as we've prepared and expected and anticipated this to happen many days ago here. You can see we were referencing, clearly here, I just want to draw it, a couple of days ago here, the kind of ascending fractal, which we always have been saying has a bearish outlook. Majority of the times when we see an ascending triangle in crypto, usually drops to the downside. Well, that's exactly what happened. It happened a little earlier than I expected, but it was a drop to the downside nonetheless. You can see after 4 days, 3 days, 2 days, we had the drop. Just yesterday, we had a continued drop. Even on Bitcoin, we started to break through our support levels here. So we're starting to see some interesting corrections and patterns that are swinging us lower here. And I said yesterday, look out, it's starting. XRP has officially started. Here's my plan. Time to see what exactly is going on here. Now, I'm actually starting to be kind of reluctant here. Things are very wild. I ended yesterday's video basically mentioning that we need to just kind of chill. We made some profitable trades, probably 4 or 5 in a row now consistently here. And it's okay to sit this out a little bit as we let the markets kind of consolidate more so we can get a better blueprint as to what exactly they want to do. Because right now we are kind of sitting ducks. We do have trades open for shorts, but those might get stopped at really soon for the, possibility of the markets heading back to the upside here. Now, I don't want to, spread any FOMO, but I just want to show you what's on my mind and tell you that there is a small chance the prices of XRP and some of these other cryptos may head higher. I don't know, but that's what I want to talk about in today's episode. You can see XRP is looking for support. Ethereum, same thing. Bitcoin doing the same thing too. So chances we could have a potential swing back to the upside, which wouldn't be too bad here. S&P 500 going even higher. Because why not? So let's just let it play out and see what exactly is happening. Obviously, guys, we are still doing our XRP crypto coin display giveaway. You guys are doing absolutely incredible, killing it. We had over 90 comments in yesterday's video. I think the video before that, we had over 140 comments, 144 comments entering the giveaway here. Drawing is going to be this Sunday morning. The last day to enter is this Saturday here. So in order to win this free XRP crypto coin display giveaway that I have in all my videos, you can see right here, all you have to do to win what has $130 value is just comment that you've subscribed down in the comments below and comment XRP giveaway. And those are the two things. If you're not subscribed, you obviously will not win it because I will be checking. And if you're not subbed, you won't win. But it's that simple. Comment XRP subscribed or XRP giveaway and subscribed. Those two things will get you entered. Do it right now so you don't forget down. Now, with that out of the way, definitely make sure to also smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe. Let's jump into today's episode. So guys, a quick refresh of the channel reveals some peculiar things. Current global crypto market cap, we are at 1.17 trillion. We've kind of been floating at 1.1 to maybe 1.2 trillion, and that's what we've been sticking with for a very long time. You could see over the last 7 days, flatline on bottom, flatline, lots of just consolidation across the board here. Most of the cryptos are, in regards to the overall markets, just down maybe 2%, 1%, nothing really crazy except XRP, which is now number 4. Absolutely incredible, back to where it should be, if not above Tether. And you can see, actually, there's a for XRP to get above Tether, it's got to triple its dollar value. It's got to get to $3, $2.60 for this to go above Tether. And then I think that's where we'd sit at number 3. I cannot see it going above Ethereum or Bitcoin. It's just so much in market cap here, from 36 billion to above 83 billion. It's just not going to happen here. So I don't know, but that's where my head's at. So the fact that XRP is seeing the biggest correction makes sense because it's had the biggest run to the upside here. So it's no surprise we're starting to see the markets dip down. This has been called for. What goes up must come down. With us being so overbought, it's necessary for us to do that. Now, how low we go is tough. That's what we're trying to figure out. We know we're heading lower, but how low is the tough part? Now, we just had a bearish cross on the MACD. We are sliding lower on the moving average, on the relative strength indicator, but it seems like we're getting withheld by some support. So I want to move this down ever so slightly, and that might actually be the support that we need. There's a chance here we could reverse off this. It sure seems like the market wants to do that. It's been 2 days now, and then today where we're holding above support here. So there's a possibility this could reverse off. I don't know yet. It's too early to tell. We do have a short position in since we broke through this on the 4-hour. We've been shorting it, so we're good on that end. And if we do decide to actually head up, we're going to hit our stop loss and get stopped out, and then we'll switch to a possible reversal right now. But there's no indicators right now that says, oh, this is what's forming here. We don't have any sort of fractal or anything that says, okay, this is resistance, this is support, this is the flag. I mean, if history repeats itself, it's possible we could form some sort of, flagpole like this. It's very possible that we could form a fourth kind of descending flag. You could see it typically is what happens to XRP here. So we could be looking for a fourth confirmation, but it is so early to tell that I don't want to spread any FOMO. Truly, I don't want to spread any FOMO. I'm just telling you the predictions. We've had three times now confirmed bull flag breakouts where we have the flag pull, the flag breakout, flag pull, the flag breakout, flag pull, the flag breakout. So for there to be a fourth one is by no means uncommon. And you can see I could easily draw what could be the start, but it is so freaking early that it's too early to tell. It really is too early to tell, and I don't know for sure, but you could see how that could form something, and that's what we have to pay attention to. But right now, we do have a support, so there is a possibility we could do a, potentially an aggressive reversal to the upside here. If that happens, an aggressive trade, not a conservative one, but we got to let this play out before we make any sort of crazy decisions. Now, obviously, we do all these trades on BidFi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. BidFi lets me buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits. Everything you could possibly think of is offered on BidFi. They even have XRP to leverage trade, which I know a lot of you guys probably want to do here. So here's the opportunity to do some. You can see they have an integrated trading view chart, which I love to use. It's very, very, very accurate here. I really like it a lot. You can see kind of the formation that's happening right here. You can see here too on XRP what exactly is going on. We are getting sandwiched here. We fell down to the 99-day moving average, which is a very sustainable support level on XRP, which to me might scream, hey, we're not going to dip below that here. So the fact that we've caught up with everything, there's a chance now that we could actually reverse upwards, obviously making that trade on BidFi here. Another cool feature with BidFi is they do offer a demo account on their derivatives trading, which gives you, or the light trading, which gives you $100,000 in Monopoly money to test your skills completely free, risk-free. Not only can you sign up in the description below completely free, you can then trade around risk-free too. So you really can't beat it. Nothing changes to the website besides the dollar amount in Monopoly fake money for you to test out on the simulator here. But the best part is when you're ready, sign up down in the description below. You can earn up to $2,888 completely free by completing the new user tasks and the advanced tasks. So make sure to check them out down in the description below. But moving forward and away from XRP, looking at the other cryptos, the reason I think XRP could be bottoming at the support that we're holding on to right here is a look at the other cryptos. Well, hey, look at Ethereum. Ethereum's bottoming too. What are the odds? You can see right here, holding support fairly well. I don't know why, but it is. You can see right here. So there's a chance that we could use this as a reversal. Using moving averages, we're trading at 45 on the RSI, plenty of room to reverse back up. So there's a good chance it's going to happen. Same thing with Bitcoin, possible reversal back up. We're hitting some sort of support here. There is that chance we could head up. I don't know, though. It's too early, which is why we're sitting it out. We do have a stop loss, we do have a short on both Bitcoin and XRP, so we'll see how those pan out. But it's really hit or miss at this point. I'm just excited that it's happening here. You can see at some point we did find a support. There is something that is holding on Bitcoin here, on this floor here, so we might not actually head lower. Same thing with Bitcoin. Same thing with Ethereum. We might not head lower, and that same thing would be applied to XRP. We might not head lower. As for the S&P, that's doing whatever the heck it wants, just continuing to pump, which makes no sense to me, but, we got to run with it here. I would likely think we're going to head lower. It would just be foolish at this point with everything I've seen and experienced now, starting to track the S&P over the past 2-3 years here. This screams, don't touch it, even with a 10-foot pole. If you got your money in it, good for you, but otherwise, I don't want to get involved in this. We're overbought on the daily, not just the daily, we're overbought on the weekly. Granted, we are retesting it, and you can see the last time, let's pretend 2021 didn't happen here, 2020 didn't happen here. when the last time we were kind of oversold, you can see we do dip. Even though we become overbought, we do dip. So I am looking for that next dip. Why buy at the top when you could buy at the bottom is my kind of logic with the way I've seen things here. We're overextended. We did come back down the last drop. We came right back down inside the fractal here. So I'm looking for that same thing, at least to bottom out right here. If we go lower, so be it. But I think at least down a moving average. So I'm looking for us to reclaim back inside of here. And that's truly what I think is going to happen. I think we're way too overextended, way too quickly. But it's great to see that we're practically back up to all-time highs. What we saw as a peak in the beginning of 2022, we're now literally just a couple percentages away. We're talking practically nothing. We're at 45.67. We need to get to 48. So like 250 points when we were at the top. So it's going to happen by the end of this, maybe the end of next year. But patience is virtue. But with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.